So when you're doing affiliate marketing, one of the most important things that you want to think about is that you never want to be promoting the offer directly. You want to be promoting the offer as a response to a problem, as an answer to an issue the person has, because people never want some kind of a product. They want a solution to a problem they're having. That is why this thing right here, right? If you look at this diagram here, this affiliate link, it's got to be as a response to something they're searching for, a problem they're having. So let me show you what I mean. So here I am on ClickBank here, and I want to promote an offer. The offer is the end game. I need to think about the problem, and I need to think about the kind of people that are having this problem, and then I need to match it up with the offer. So when you think about this, the offer is really the last thing. It's the last thing on the funnel. It's when the person, A, realized they have a problem, B, they realized they need a solution, C, they started researching for something, D, they started to think about, okay, they're comparing products, E, F, G, H, I, and then maybe Z, they're like, okay, I need to buy this ClickBank product. This is the last step. And in today's video, I want to show you a really, really effective way and a very, very simple way of promoting amazing products. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to pick the right offer, okay? There are three types of offers that always sell on ClickBank, okay? This is make money online right here, right? Business investing, betting systems. There's a couple of other ones, e-business, e-marketing. The second type is health and fitness. Health and fitness is another great area to make money in. And last but not least, self-help. Self-help is awesome. Everybody is always looking to improve themselves, to become more confident, to become more outgoing, maybe fix their relationships, find a partner, get married, fix their dating life, public speaking, etc., etc. This is all self-help. And so you need to pick one of these ones. Now, obviously, you can pick something called a niche offer. So a niche offer would be something different. It could be maybe sports, travel, maybe it's green products. And the reason I say niche offer is that this is an offer that applies to a niche of people. It doesn't apply to the majority of people. It doesn't even apply to half the population, right? When I say majority, it's more than half, but it doesn't even apply to half because, I cannot, let's say I want to promote a golf offer or a basketball offer. Not everybody is into golf. Not everybody is into basketball. It's a relatively small percentage of the overall population. And that is why today we're going to be looking at self-help offers. I love self-help offers. There's always money to be made when it comes to self-help. And so if we come to SelfHelp General, you're going to see a bunch of offers. We're going to rank them by gravity, high to low, and we see a bunch of various offers here. And so here I am looking at self-help marriage and relationships, right? And remember, guys, this is the end game. You should never promote this offer directly because you don't even know what issues they're having, right? You don't even know what this offer does. A lot of people make this very, very simple mistake. And so we have this His Secret Obsession, we have the X Factor Guide, we have Text Chemistry, and we have a bunch of other offers. I typically like to look at the first three offers in every category when they're sorted by gravity from high to low. And that is because it gives me an idea what kind of offer I want to promote. Do I want to look at other offers? Do I want to go into another category? I typically work with the top three offers, right? And this is by gravity, right? We have 166, 56.5, 50.1, right? These are good, really good gravities. And that means that they're healthy, they're making money, people are promoting, and these are awesome offers to work with, right? Now, I did Text Chemistry for a long time. I did His Secret Obsession for a long time. I never promoted the X Factor Guide. I know some of you have asked me, what about this offer here? Some of you have mentioned you're having some issues with this offer. And so I'm going to be looking into this offer. And so this is the X Factor Guide. This is a solution to a problem that people have when it comes to, getting your ex. Now, we don't know if this is men or women. So we're going to go and load up the main page and take a look at the landing page. Who is this target? Okay, so it's targeted to both men and women. So let's say we want to target women. Okay, we want women. We want to help women get their ex back. Okay, so this is the idea. And what we need is we need something to engage people, right? We cannot just start pushing this offer. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go on Google and we're going to type something like 10 ways And I'm looking for a list, right? And anytime you start something like this, 10 ways, X ways, where X is a number, 10 ways to get your X back. We're going to do something like this. Actually, maybe even 25 ways. And this is a piece of content. It's a very innocent piece of content that we can go out and we can do something with it. So take a look at this one. 25 mistakes to avoid when trying to get your X back. This is even better. So let's load this up. And this is what we have. Now, this is an article. There's no offers here. There's nothing being sold. You can share this article in a conversation. You can give it to people, and they will be happy with it. Nobody's going to get upset at you that you are, trying to sell something, you're spamming. Nobody's going to do that. If you're having a conversation in forums, on Twitter, on Facebook groups, running paid ads maybe, but we're going to be talking about free traffic methods. This is a great method to, engage with people, right? Now, if you hand this article, if I copy this and I give it to people, they're not going to, you won't be able to make any money, right? Because it's not selling something. What we need to do is we need to combine this piece of free content with some kind of an offer. And this is kind of what affiliate marketing is all about. We're giving them something free. We're engaging with them. We're, baiting their interest, so to speak. But we need to make money as well, right? We need to make money. I don't work for free. I don't know about you, but I do not work for free. And so I need to make money. I need to sell a product and I need to get a commission, because I won't make money just by sharing this content. The only entity that's going to be making money here is this site, because they probably have ads somewhere that maybe I'm not seeing at the moment, but maybe they have ads there, so they're going to be monetized. That's fine. We need to get paid too. And so what you want to do, guys, is you want to head over to this tool called Replug. The URL is replug.io, and this is an amazing tool. You can get registered for free. You can start using it for free. What you want to do is you want to register for free, and you want to set up your free account. Once you do that, you're going to be on a page that looks something like this. As you can see, I'm already logged in, and I have various brands, campaigns, links, and RSS automation. So do not worry if none of that makes sense to you right now. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. Once you're logged in, the first thing that you need to do is you need to set up a new brand. So I hit this button, and I'm going to create a new brand. And let's say this brand is about getting your X back. Get your X back. You see how it's specific to what we're promoting. And we don't have a URL. We're going to hit save. Okay, so it wants a URL. So I'm just going to say the URL is going to be our ClickBank offer, right? So you're going to put your ClickBank offer here. So we're going to go back to ClickBank. We're going to go to promote. But this is not the way we're going to be doing it. But, it wants a URL, so we're going to copy and paste that there. Okay, so we're going to copy and paste that. We're going to hit save. Next, we have this brand. Next, what we want to do is we want to go into campaigns, and we want to create a new campaign. For that, we need to select a brand. So we're going to go in here. We're going to select this brand, and you can have multiple brands. That means you can promote multiple niches, multiple offers, and this is awesome. And we're going to do campaign. I'm just going to call it C1, campaign 1. We're going to do a call to action here. And this is what it's going to look like. We can change it around and all that. We're going to do shortener. You can also have a retargeting pixel, which is awesome, because that means you can run Facebook ads to the people who saw this ad, or Google ads. And this is an advanced topic. I may cover this at a later date, but you can make a ton more money. But we're going to leave it out for now. We're going to hit next. And we can choose the kind of call to action that we can have. We can even collect emails, right? We can even select an email provider, and we can collect emails. But right now, we're just going to have a simple button, and we can have a modern, we can have a banner. This is what the banner looks like. We have an exit intent, we have a pop-up, we have a scroll box, which is cool. But I'm just going to do something simple, a social modern. Okay, we're going to hit next. And we're going to fill this out. Okay, this is the headline message. So, get your X back, proven. Or I'm just going to say proven way to get your X back. And then we're going to have a message. Something like 500 plus women, or I'm just going to say 523 women have already gotten their X back. Okay? This is going to say call to action, learn more. And we have a button URL, and this is going to be our affiliate link. I just pasted it here, ClickBank link. We're going to hit next. We can customize all this, position top left, top right. I don't know, it's up to you. I think I like top left better. We can customize all of this. We're going to hit next. Seconds is after how long, after how many seconds should this thing appear? When should it appear? After X seconds. We're going to say after 5 seconds. We're going to save campaign. And we're done. And now what we have is a brand and campaign. We do not have links yet. We can create multiple links, which is kind of the beauty of it. So we're going to go into manage, and we're going to head down to replug links, and we're going to hit new link. Okay, we're going to select our campaign. And here we need to enter the URL of the content, right? So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to paste this here, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, now as you can see, it loaded up. That means it's working. If you can see it, you also see this checkbox here. You can enter tags. That's fine for more advanced stuff. You can have password protected, link expiry, customize link preview, customize fav. We're going to disable all that, and we're going to hit save link. And it just went ahead and created a link for that campaign, for that brand. So you can have multiple campaigns, multiple brands, multiple links. It's fantastic. And we're going to hit copy. Now, what we can do is when we load this link, it's going to load up that article, but it's also going to do something else in 5 seconds. There we see. Proven way to get your X back. You can close it so it's not annoying you. And you can hit learn more. And what's going to happen is going to redirect to the X Factor guy. And obviously, this article is going to be for women in this case, or it doesn't really matter who it's for, because this offer is for both genders. So women can click here, men can click here. It doesn't really matter. If this was for women, then we can create multiple campaigns with multiple articles, with multiple kind of things. And the other thing, guys, you can do is you can go back to Bing, and you can type, you can leave your search, and you can find another article. So actually, here's another article I found. 10 signs your ex will eventually come back. It's a little bit different. It's a spin on the existing article. I copied it here, and it previewed it, and we're gonna leave everything blank. We're gonna save this, and we're gonna leave everything blank. We're gonna save this link, and now we have another link. We're gonna copy this, and we can load it up. And once we click on it, it's going to load up the article, and then in 5 seconds, it's going to load up our CTA. And here's the CTA. They have another CTA here, and we have our CTA. We can have the image. Once you create your campaign, your accounts, and all that, you can create some kind of an avatar. It could be, a person. It could be something else. And then if you hit learn more, you're going to go to the article. Okay, or you can close it, right? So it's not annoying, or you can close it, you can open it, right? Really, really cool. And while you're browsing, this thing appears. This thing is there. And what this means is that you can actually share this link on Facebook. You can basically Google something like relationship forums. Okay, you can do that. And you can say, hey, I found a great article. You can just insert that link inside some kind of a thread. With people are discussing various things. You can just say, hey, I found this article about 10 ways to get your ex back. And your affiliate link is so under the radar. Nobody's going to accuse you of doing anything, right? It's such a really small part of the article. You're not just spamming stuff. That's why it's so effective. So you can do relationship forums. You can say, get your ex back forums. Here we go. They have a lot of these forums, archive, get your ex back. Lots and lots of forums for relationships, dating forums, right? You can go on Twitter, you can go on Facebook groups, anywhere people are talking about relationship. You can say, hey there, you can say something like that. Hey there, I found this link on getting your ex back. This could be an article, right? It's not a Google search or a Bing search on getting your ex back. And then you can paste it. This is the link. Nobody knows what that link is all about. Nobody knows what's up. People are going to click it. They're going to read the article. And then there's your thing. There's your branded link. And what's nice about it is that you can create multiple campaigns, and you can track the clicks. You have the conversion rate. You have the clicks. You have the conversion rate. You can track everything. You can measure, you have your analytics, and so you can track everything that's happening. It's a very, very powerful tool. And that is the way you should be sharing your links. And that is one of the most effective ways to do affiliate marketing. Very, very simple, but very, very old school and very, very easy way to do affiliate marketing. So that is the method I wanted to share with you guys today. You can do this for ClickBank. You can do this for ShareSell. You can do this across all networks using the method that I talked about today. So I really hope you enjoyed this method. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Let me know if you like this. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.